Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Erlson and I love to draw. Every now and then I record my process, which usually ends up on this channel in the form of a video. I draw primarily with a Wacom tablet and Photoshop. I occasionally draw with an Apple Pencil on my iPad. But don't get it twisted, I draw traditionally a lot as well. I love filling up sketchbooks with pen and ink drawings. As a matter of fact, many of my digital paintings begin as pen and ink sketches. Most of my videos consist of my commentary over time-lapse footage. My hope for future videos is to tackle more specific drawing techniques and tutorials. But I can't do this without you. I highly encourage you to look through my channel. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe for more content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to see my latest upload, which happens to be every first Wednesday of the month. My ultimate hope is for you to walk away from my channel feeling inspired to pick up a pen and draw. Once again, my name is Erlson, and thank you for stopping by.